Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. This section continues with practical ways to understand avoidant patterns and how to create healthier emotional connections. Electric and hybrid cars from Japan are everywhere now. Toyota hybrids, Nissan Leafs, Honda and Mitsubishi plug-ins, they fill city streets and highways in 2026. That also means more high-voltage batteries are reaching the end of their driving life every year. When a car battery reaches end of life, it no longer gives enough range or power for safe, reliable driving. It still holds energy and valuable metals though, so it is far from trash. It is more like a savings account that needs to be moved to a new bank. Many governments now push for in-region recycling and reuse, instead of shipping used packs across oceans. The goal is simple: lower cost, less waste, better supply of battery minerals, and stronger local jobs. This video walks through how these in-region systems work for Japanese brands, and what drivers and fleets should expect when a battery's driving life is over. What is in-region battery end-of-life infrastructure for Japanese cars in 2026? In 2026, in-region battery end-of-life infrastructure is the local system that handles used EV and hybrid batteries from start to finish. It covers Japanese brands such as Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, and Mitsubishi, wherever they are sold. Instead of thinking of a battery as dead, the system treats it as a resource that needs a safe, organized path. That path usually starts at a dealer or repair shop, passes through testing and maybe second life use, and often ends in a nearby recycling plant. The key idea is location. Handling the battery mostly inside the same country or economic region keeps transport short, cuts shipping risk, and keeps valuable metals closer to local factories. Japan, the European Union, North America, and parts of Asia are moving in this direction as EV and hybrid fleets grow. For drivers, this setup is mostly invisible. You see a warning light, book a service visit, and the dealer takes care of the rest. Behind the scenes though, a full chain of companies, rules, and tracking tools works to keep those big packs safe and useful, even after they leave the car. Basic idea: handling used EV and hybrid batteries close to where cars are sold. In-region infrastructure means the full life cycle of a used battery stays near its original home. The collection, testing, transport, reuse, and recycling all happen inside the same broad region where the car is driven. In the old model, many used packs were packed into containers and shipped thousands of miles to a few giant recycling plants. That meant higher emissions from shipping, less control over safety, and weak links in traceability. By 2026, more regions want the opposite. When a Nissan Leaf battery in France, or a Toyota Prius pack in California, reaches end of life, the goal is to handle it within that region. Local companies move it, local engineers test it, and local recyclers recover metals for future cars. This close-to-home approach helps regulators track where batteries go and supports cleaner, shorter supply chains for the next generation of vehicles. Key pieces of the system: collection, safe storage, reuse, and recycling. In-region end-of-life systems share a few core building blocks. Dealer and workshop take-back points. Official dealers and many independent shops that service Japanese cars must accept used packs. For example, a Prius or Leaf owner hands the car to the dealer, and the pack goes into a controlled flow. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.